Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Elizabeth Kolbert's best-selling book The Sixth Extinction, An Unnatural History. This Pulitzer Prize-winning book shows us an alarming fact. The Earth is undergoing the sixth mass extinction in its history, and the culprit is humans ourselves. When we talk about mass extinction, we first need to define it. In biology, mass extinction refers to a large number of species going extinct in a relatively short geological period. The criteria for an extinction event to be considered a mass extinction is that over 75% of species go extinct within a timeframe of 2 million years. In the 4.5 billion years of Earth's history, there have been 5 major mass extinctions. Each of these 5 mass extinctions had different triggers, but their core feature was an imbalance in the global ecosystem, which caused a large number of species to be unable to adapt to the dramatic environmental changes, resulting in their extinction. Specifically, the first mass extinction happened 440 million years ago at the end of the Ordovician period, mainly affecting ocean life, with about 85% of marine species disappearing. The second mass extinction originated around 365 million years ago in the late Devonian period, lasting for nearly 20 million years and causing countless species to go extinct. The third mass extinction was the most devastating known, occurring 250 million years ago between the Permian and Triassic periods. 96% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial species went extinct. The fourth mass extinction happened 185 million years ago in the late Triassic period, mainly decimating crocodile species. The last mass extinction was the famous Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event, in which the dinosaurs were completely wiped out. Human understanding of the concept of mass extinction has also gone through 3 stages. First was the French naturalist Georges Cuvier, who first proposed the idea of mass extinction based on his discovery of a new fossil animal, the American mastodon. He believed species went extinct collectively during some catastrophic event. Later Darwin proposed his theory of evolution, arguing that species extinction should be a gradual process of natural selection, with no sudden catastrophic events. Today, our perspective is more balanced. We recognize geological eras evolve slowly, but also acknowledge this gradual process is occasionally disrupted by episodes of mass extinction. From the above overview of mass extinctions, we can see that each historical mass extinction was caused by some severe environmental change. And right now, human activities are pushing the Earth into another mass extinction. Firstly, there is large-scale extinction of ocean life. Since the Industrial Revolution, anthropogenic greenhouse gas emissions have led to progressively worse ocean acidification. Ocean pH has already dropped from 8.2 pre-industrially to 8.1 currently, and is predicted to further fall to 7.8 by 2100. This means ocean acidity will be 150% higher than before the Industrial Revolution. Ocean acidification directly threatens the survival of coral reefs and other calcifying organisms. Global coral cover has already declined by 50%, and if conditions continue to deteriorate, coral may go completely extinct by the end of this century. As coral reefs are home to countless marine species, their disappearance will lead to the collapse of entire ocean ecosystems. Secondly, terrestrial species are also facing mass extinction. Global warming is endangering land animals and plants alike. Polar bears, penguins and other animals are already feeling the impacts of climate change. But the situation in tropical rainforests is arguably even more dire. Rising temperatures are forcing tropical vegetation to migrate uphill at breakneck speeds, but mountain tops offer limited area and cannot accommodate so many species, portending the demise of huge numbers of lowland species. In addition, human-caused biological invasions are changing terrestrial ecology. The rampant breeding of invasive species disrupts existing food chains, ultimately driving native species extinct. Finally, the end result of all this could be tens of thousands of species going extinct within this century, and humans may not escape this fate either. Projections show that if conditions continue to deteriorate, 9% to 32% of species may be extinct by 2050. This is comparable to previous mass extinctions in Earth's history. More worryingly, humans are just another animal on this planet. As other species disappear one by one, can we really continue to remain unscathed? The Sixth Extinction is an eye-opening book. It tells us the harsh truth that humans are destroying this planet. I hope everyone can gain some wisdom from it. Cherish biodiversity, because ultimately it is key to humanity's own future. If you are also moved by the ideas in this book, I highly recommend you get a copy and read it yourself. Thank you for watching. See you next time.